Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 16, and today we'll be doing more of the graphics work. Previously we showed Phil making ellipses, made rectangles, we made the dialog box. So now what we're going to do is add a bitmap. And with that, we could add any image or whatnot. So I think I have some pictures. Yeah, let's grab one of these. Okay, so now that we have the picture, what we are going to do is we're going to say, we're going to do this in here. We're going to do bitmap equals new, or we do bitmap picture equals new bitmap, and we're going to pass in, I think it was Control O. What is this picture called? Lesson 6. I just picked any kind, really. So you need it to be in your directories. If you're going to run it, you're going to want to need it into your bin and whatever you use. So in this case, it would be a debug. So can I paste in here? I think not. Hold on. Let me go back and do a copy. And go to the debug and do a paste. So if that's in there, we can do that. So now that we have this, we can do Control. Oh, I can't paste. Really? Gotta get the. Yeah, exactly not what I wanted. I wanted to. Hold on. One more try. I want to rename it, and this is just to grab its naming, so it can grab it. So now we're going to put this in quotes. And there we go. So then if we did graphics graph equals e.graphics, and we did graph dot draw image, we will have the image. So it would be a picture, picture, and a point. So we would do new point. It would be, let's just say 50-50. And we can render, and we can draw it. Do I have to? I probably have to. So what do I have to do is, let's stop this. Oh, I think this is a .png. Maybe that's what I did wrong. Oh, it's a JPEG. Oops. JPG. Oops. There we go. It was a JPEG. So there we go. It's at 50-50 and it can draw. And with that, we could draw multiple different things. We could even draw the same instance of it. We could draw. Oops, we can't render it. We could do this. We could do 100 or 100 and 250. And yeah, there we go. We see we have multiple different images. We could definitely use that for like a background and for a animation and whatnot. We can make animations. So with that, that is how you do a bitmap. And in the next episode, I believe we'll discuss some key events to finally make one of them move. And with that, I will end this here. Thank you guys and have a great day.